Sir, I am Cadet Battaglia,
And I'm Cadet Vollbach.
and we are presenting Deliverable 1A. So first we have our influence diagram with a monthly finances objective, and the first major variable influencing monthly finances is going to be income, and the first variable affecting income will be the base pay, and we utilized the base pay chart, and we utilized the index and match functions to find the base pay based on the rank in the year. So we have drop-down menu where you can pick the rank. We'll just pick a rank here, and then you can pick the years, and it'll come with the monthly base pay and the yearly base pay. And we plan on implementing the same formulas of index and match functions and finding a chart to use for housing allowances and just repeating what we did for base pay for this, and which will let us find the monthly and yearly payments. And then the other variables affecting our income will be deployment pay, education allowance, and just as before, we're gonna implement the same strategy we used for base pay to find the monthly and yearly info for these. And then down here we have the total income, where we are just adding all the total monthly incomes, and then here adding all the total yearly incomes.
Our next variable that is a major influence of the monthly finances is the savings. And so first we have a variable, our current total savings, then the amount that we plan on paying each month towards our savings, and then our expected investment return rate. So on the left hand side we lay out each month from now, and then right next to it the amount of savings we expect to have. And so these are just referencing the top three variables, and it goes down for a few months.
Next, the next major variable affecting our objective is expenses. And for expenses, the variables we have affecting that are housing, transportation, taxes, and emergencies. And in the days to come, we will implement formulas using the basic strategy. We've been using index functions and match functions to figure out total monthly and yearly expenses for all of these. And then once again, similar to what we did for the income variable, we will add all the monthly expenses up together to get the total monthly expenses, and then to also get the total yearly expenses.
And this tab is our final overview for our monthly finances, laid out for each month in the future, just like it was in the savings tab. Right now our function's not working because we couldn't reference certain cells in different tabs, but essentially what it is, or what we're trying to do, is add our income each month, and then add it to the savings that we have for each month, and subtract the total expenses, and that's just right next to each month from now. And then we plan on adding a chart on the right hand side to display this.
And then, sir, as you notice on our influence diagram, we have a few other variables affecting the variables we talked about, such as housing allowance, where we have post location affecting that, and dependence. And then we have a few other variables in this section of our influence diagram. We plan on, once we dive deeper into this project, we plan on implementing all of those into this presentation. Sir, that concludes our presentation for Deliverable 1A.